Dumelang. Good evening, Bakaitso.
Treasures Lamine, my brother. Treasures Lamine as always.
Good evening, Bakaitso. Lena Lakakin, perfect one, you are tuned into the Pyramid Lounge.
No, honestly, no, I'm good. I'm happy. It's good to be back. You can call us on 014-285-0046.
We've got certain beliefs and we believe in different things.
We'll ensure that they handle your loved one with dignity.
Mr. Lamin.
Yes, my
I
brother.
hope our listeners are taking notes.
I said at Pyramid, we are a one-stop shop.
So at Pyramid Funerals, we believe that your loved one deserves the utmost care.
That's how Pyramid cares. That's a very, very sacred moment for a lot of families. Yes. We are honoring their loved one.
You are not alone in this journey. Perfect Lungwane. I be Boroko. Dumelang. Good evening, Bakaitso. Afsheni minjani. Hey.
Good evening, Baretsi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Manyar.
No. Good evening, Bakaitso. Lena Lakakin, perfect Lungwane. Agita Maigili one, Gita Maya Lintate.
Treasures Lamine, my brother. Treasures Lamine as always.
Yes, sir.
Yo, my brother.
You are tuned into Pyramid Lounge, your trusted space for heartfelt conversations and valuable guidance of life, legacy, and saying goodbye with dignity. Well, I've already told you my name, and you are tuned into the Pyramid Lounge.
My brother. I have to press too much. Oh, my brother, we're going to have a nice.
Yes,
you know, this week's show, it's going to be a bit different.
Yes.
We always come in with a fire, jam-packed show, entertaining variety. But this week's show, it's quite different. We're going to be taking Bareti Varona through the funeral process.
Yes.
The emotions that they will go through.
Yeah.
Obviously now all the steps that they'll probably go through and complete. We'll also talk a bit about our aftercare once all that is done. So it's quite a heartfelt and emotional show this week. But Bareti, stay tuned. It's going to be nice. I think it's going to be very informative. And you're going to learn a lot about our services and what we have to offer. Yeah.
So whether you are facing this right now or planning ahead, this episode is meant to provide you with clarity, support, and peace of mind. But it's, I tell you. Dlamin, how's your week, man?
My brother, my week. Dude, I was sick for like 2 days. Actually, I was booked off for longer, but then my passion for my work and also the show. I'm like, no, hell no, it's not gonna happen. I'm going to work. Just came back today, but. What a busy day. What a busy day. We were busy with systems today. Fixing our systems. We always trying to streamline things for our customers, make things easier for them. So we're busy with our systems today. They'll hear different. So that's literally my day today, and obviously checking whatever that needed my attention. In honesty, no, I'm good. I'm happy. It's good to be back.
Good.
Yeah.
That's good. You know, one of the things that I'm picking up from you right now is we should encourage listeners to call more often to come to the office. You know, confidence.
Yes.
Like we're trying to provide you with so much confidence and ease and peace of mind.
Exactly.
You know, before you just say, you know what, I need to go to the office. Just call and see if we can help you over the phone. But I bet you. I trust Pyramid.
So you know a number, Moski. Before when they're trying to call. So as I'm saying that we were streamlining our systems, making sure we're making things more convenient. So they can call us on 014-285-0046. I'm going to repeat the number again, 014-285-0046. So whatever arrangement or whatever maybe you just want to change a couple of things on your policy.
Yes.
You want to add people on your policy. We have made things so nice and seamless for you. Immediately as you go in, you'll be able to speak to any of our agents, and then the agent will assist you with any query that you have.
Yeah.
So that's how we're streamlining things and making sure our things are more convenient for our clients. And we are trying now to make sure even our wait time on our calls, that the clients don't have to wait for too long. Immediately as you're calling, you will be reached by someone to assist you with whatever that you need. Yeah.
Mr. Tlamen.
I do my gonna ya tsamaya.
Yona if you do my tsamaya.
Yeah,
A
exactly.
ina mo go mongwe.
Yeah.
Ke tshepa gore ba retse go gae ba latile dibuka le dipene ba ready gore re ba fe information e botlhokwa regarding the first call.
Yeah.
It's the first call.
That most important call,
Yeah.
my brother.
I think today they must be no.
Today I'm gonna do
No. Today, no.
Yeah.
This moment is sacred.
Yeah. So as I'm saying, we're talking about heartfelt things, serious things. So
Yeah.
the first call,
Yes.
the journey begins with
Yeah.
a phone call. That's the first time.
That's where Pyramid says we're here for you.
Yeah. And we show you and we show up.
Yes, my brother.
Exactly. So, you know, Fetu, when a loved one passes away, emotions can be overwhelming. Mare, wahidi, this is us. This is Pyramid Group, you know. You're at that time, you're not alone.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not alone. And we have a 24-hour team that is trained and will respond immediately. Whether your loved one passed home, Kuntlung, or in the hospital, or elsewhere, we're ready. So, as I'm saying, like, it all begins in a phone call. I know it's a hard one, but you know very well, Jorge, just call us. And we'll be there to take you through that moment, that heartfelt moment there.
So just to break it down, Mr. Tlamine, just to break it down for Barrezo Gohaya, ne? So this is where we're saying that me, Papa, anyone, loved one, Gospedlela now.
Exactly.
You get that call from Gospedlela saying, unfortunately, your loved one has passed on.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm getting a lot of things there.
Yeah.
Because the first person that you call after that call is the person that you trust.
Inside.
Yeah.
Inside. You want someone that you can trust.
Because at that moment you are on the verge of breaking down. You need a shoulder to cry on.
Exactly.
And now in the midst of needing a shoulder to cry on, you need now someone that will be there to walk the journey with you.
A trusted person.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, someone that will guide you through the journey. Someone that will tell you to say, rest assured, we're here.
We're here.
We will take care of this step so that now you don't have to go through so much overwhelming emotions.
Exactly.
Right? So baretsi, utsa phone, ba fetsa go founela go sepetlela, you call Pyramid.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Boom, the journey has started.
The journey has started.
Yeah, once we answer that call, the journey has started.
The journey has started.
Whether it's 2 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock afternoon.
Exactly.
I mean, any time of the day. That's when now the journey starts.
Yeah. That's where now we kick in.
Yeah.
That's where now our promise that we've been saying kicks in. And Maurizio and Obatla make us sure that you are there.
Yeah.
And that you will keep your promise that you said, you're going to be there for us.
Yeah.
That's where we come in.
That's when you put us to the test.
Yeah. All these years, are they really going to live up to what they've been saying?
Yes.
And that's us.
Yeah. So now, we pick up the phone.
Yeah, take Barretti through that process.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we pick up the phone. Le guy, Richard, I know, unfortunately, Ntate waka, or Mewaka, or my loved one has passed on. So the first thing that we ask you, Ogo guy.
Yes.
No, Ogo Spetlela, all right. We say to you, we will dispatch a professional team that will come and help you.
Yeah.
All right? Yeah. So now, we take the number, we give it to the team that will call you. So the team calls you, right? When the team calls you back now, that's when they get your information. Ogo Spetlela, Ogo Ntlung, Ogo Kai in the area. All right, we are coming, we're leaving from Rustenburg.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now, you give them an hour or two, or depending on how far you are.
Yeah.
From where they are, right? So now, along the way, they maintain constant contact with you.
And they have to.
Yeah.
Because you
it's a
need to
must.
keep at ease.
Yeah, it's a must.
You need
So
to
that
keep at ease. Yeah.
In the midst of you breaking down and you're crying, yeah, they keep calling you to say, no, don't worry. Ka atumela ke tsamaya go kae kae. Yeah, don't worry. Ka atumela ke tsamaya go kae kae.
Exactly.
You understand? The moment bo malume le bona ba tla, le the professional team.
Yeah.
You know, ke the more ba atumela go ahead.
Yeah.
Get the more when your heart is relieved to say, you know what, I am relieved because the team has arrived.
The team has arrived.
Man.
Hey.
So the team, when they get there, they introduce themselves. You no,
Yeah.
with my loved one,
Yeah.
right? So now, that's when now a tangibility comes in.
Yeah. True.
So tangibility ba retse go gae ke bua ka gore le koloi wa ibona gore okay koloi tlile ke le motho wa go pyramid ke o tlile,
Yeah.
right? A designated professional team to come and help you with your loved one. So now they take you throughout the process to say, no, re tlile o tlo lata your loved one, this is what we're gonna need, help us with this. Then they put your loved one in the stretcher, or body box or coffee or body box, yes, and now bamtsai. So now, you know where the office is. Or if you don't know where the office is, they will give you directions to the office. To say, no, we're going to take your loved one to 4 von Villers Street in Rustenburg.
Yeah.
Yeah, most things are pyramid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Pyramid Street.
So now, if it's at night, that means you are only going to come in the morning. If it's during the day, you can come at that time. Now, because I know, but it's okay, I know we've got certain beliefs and we believe in different things. Even our cultures are different. Some will say, no, we'll rather follow you up until we get to the mortuary so that our loved one, no, so no, pyramid, please rest here up until we take you.
Yeah.
One of these things, yeah.
Yeah. Full on.
But it's okay. Rest assured.
Yeah.
Rest assured. We are
in safe hands.
Safe and capable hands.
Yeah. And remember, this is now a sacred moment.
Yes.
For a lot of people, this is a very emotional moment. It's a sacred moment. And our team will ensure that they handle your loved one with dignity, ensuring that from the beginning, your loved one is in great and good hands.
When you get to the office now, that's when now we honor the story of your loved one. That's when now we're saying this is a funeral arrangement meeting.
Yeah.
We are not saying
now with our trusted
I say kopana the meetings it's go strategy. No. It's a funeral arrangement meeting.
Yeah. A sacred
not
meeting.
Funeral arrangement meeting.
Exactly. Yeah.
So when your loved one now is at the mortuary, right? Now that's where you come to the office. We begin to honor the story of your loved one.
Exactly.
Now that's when you come in, you'll be assisted by Kegrogile or Malebu Mabele, right?
Yeah.
Now they will explain your policy. They will first begin to check your policy to say, no, policy or what is going on with your policy so that you understand the next steps that you're going to follow, that are going to unfold. Hey, man, I tell you, I hope la kwala, I hope la kwala.
Oh, you're taking note?
Yeah, I hope you're taking notes.
Exactly, yeah.
So now when they explain those benefits, that's where you get a lot of questions. That's where now you come in, you ask to say, no, that's when they say, no, it's fine. You're going to claim. If you want to top up, you say, no, I want to top up. They say, no, sharp. Let's first finish with the first step, then we'll take you to the coffins so that utlopel kasi or bonel kasi la gago le mo policing ya gago, which is coma quads, right? Yeah. So now, in the midst of that,
yeah,
because kafa utla ba ba batla di 400, kafa utla ba kuna le BI. So in the midst of that,
that's where the documentation now kicks in.
That's where the documentation kicks in. Now the process of Home Affairs now.
Yeah.
We take you throughout the steps of Home Affairs to say, No, let's go to the doctor. The doctor will want 400 and give us a PI, let's say PI, and get the details of your loved one to say, beka bereka ko kae, feditse sekolo ko grade mang and stuff like that. That information, ba itlhokang ka your loved one, right? The doctor will fill that information, right? Then you come to us, we fill our part. Then now we get a designated, professionally trained driver. Yeah, which is could be Ntate Abelo Mutloba or Ntate Opam Papudi.
Exactly.
Yeah. When you sit in the office, you relax. You relax.
Yeah, they will do all the running for you.
They will do all the running and up and down for you, because now we understand that emotions can be overwhelming at that time.
Exactly.
Right? They go to Home Affairs. They assist you with the a death certificate and burial order. When you are still busy with at the office making the funeral arrangements, right? Now that's when now they say to you, we're finished with the death certificate, depending on how busy Home Affairs is. But we're anticipating at all times that this should not be a process that takes longer than 30 minutes, right? Yeah. Mr. Lamin.
Yes, my brother.
I hope our listeners are taking notes.
I hope they're taking notes. I hope so. Yeah. And then remember now, there's still that process of now, as Bobra Opa and all of them, but to Sakadi coffin selection and all that stuff. Now, I mean documentation. Now, obviously, now you're busy now with the coffin selection. You're busy with transportation. The burial arrangement. Some families can even opt for maybe some kind of cremation. And remember with our policy, as we always say, we will provide. Then you know that us as black people, we believe more exactly. So we'll provide a tent. 40 chairs, 2 tables, and then we'll also inform you. Obviously, we're doing graveside deco. We'll also take you through our flower arrangements. You'll do your program designing, and then if you also want body filming and editing, we do also even provide that. So we believe that this is not just about planning a funeral. It's about honoring your loved one in the best way that you can. True. As we say now, as we take you through this with the options that your policy has, and also even the additional benefits that you could want, we will make sure whatever you want, it doesn't even matter. O batla helicopter. O batla helicopter. Some people, they're quite modern these days. But as I said, the film editing and the videographers and all that stuff. Nowadays, some families even want deco. So as at Pyramid, we are a one-stop shop. We are one-stop shop. Whatever that you want, speak with Kekorokhile or Malebo, and definitely they'll assist you with each and every process. This is the benefits that you have, and if you want to add more stuff that you prefer for your loved one, it's Pyramid. Anything that you want, we can do it. Yeah.
Mona, if Barrett did not know, I think a couple of weeks ago, there's a family that came and requested a custom-made a coffin. I mean,
brother.
I mean, Pyramid made it happen.
Anything that you want,
because it's honoring a loved one. So when I asked to say what is the reasoning behind it, they said no. Go kerekeng ba para seaparo se se white, so they needed a white specific coffin. So Pyramid made it happen. And the family was so happy, man. They were so happy. Libatu ba kerekeng, they were so happy to say, hey, this kind of coffin, a white.
Exactly. And in that particular man, that's why I'm saying literally anything that you want. We make it happen.
We've got Just Trey, man. He edits the funeral videos, kariki movie. When you're watching it, you're like, you know what? Am I watching an action movie? Yeah, kariki the action movies at the funeral.
Exactly. So what to go? My brother, the list is endless.
Man, why are you not saying with the Dlamini events, man? Dlamini events, man. If you want catering
Or
and
deco, yeah.
you know.
That's why I'm saying anything. We have everything at Pyramid. There's nothing that we don't have. So whatever that you want, we are able to make sure that we honor your loved one in the utmost respect and dignity. Yeah.
Ah, no, but it's just take a breather.
Yeah.
Just take a breather. Trusted Pyramid.
Yes, my brother.
A trusted funeral consortium. Yeah, but it's go high. Yeah, we were taking you throughout the process from day one up until let's say
Labofela.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So at Pyramid Funerals, we believe that your loved one deserves the utmost care and respect, even in death. Yeah, that's how much we care about your loved one.
Exactly.
So our team, our trained and professional mortuary team, they will after when you are done got the preparations, which is Monday, Tuesday, or any other day, right? So on Thursday and Friday, that's when now they prepare.
They prepare.
Yeah, they prepare your loved one throughout dressing and right? So that they must come to you lapeng, but in a good preserved shape, so that you see, this is a person that deserves respect.
Yes, exactly.
I tell you. So we follow any cultural or religion guidance that you provide.
Exactly.
No, na ke batla utla ka Thursday ke batla go le thusa ka o mtlhapisa o nna ke na le kereke ya ka e tla itlo rapela. So yeah, in the arrangement stage, when you are with ke gorogile o malebo, that's when now you will guide us to say I believe in this religion or culture.
Yeah.
This is what we want to do, or this is what we practice.
And we don't discriminate.
No, we don't discriminate. We don't, my
Whichever
brother.
religion that you believe in,
Yeah.
Cultural religion that you want to observe, or we will honor that belief.
Yeah.
That's how Pyramid case. Yeah.
So we even go to an extent of asking you if watla umbona before baba ngabambona, or what we are guided by you technically to say this is what I want.
Exactly.
We listen to your need and we action them.
Exactly. And remember, this is now a sacred moment, because for many families, that's now, because we have observed what they believe in, that's now their own healing process. So we make sure we observe whatever belief that you have, we will observe it and let you do what you need to be doing for your loved one.
Yeah. So we've also got our trained tent team. So they will come on or before on Friday.
Yeah.
To erect the tent. Give you one tent for the chairs, 2 tables, so that le khone would go thusagala mo jareteng. If gona le a tiro ya late in the evening, or baruti ba tlile ba tlo rapela, or anything ele batla o etsa ka tent, so that team will come and erect that tent and give you those chairs and 2 tables.
Exactly. And also now this is now the day before the funeral, or this now could be now for many families the Saturday in the morning. Obviously now, if it's the day before the funeral, we'll provide transport. We'll bring your loved one to home. If it's required, some families they prefer not to. So we will take guidance from the family. We'll provide the food decoration at the graveside. This is now on the Saturday morning. Make sure everything is prepared, everything is proper, up to the standard of Pyramid Good Funerals. We'll provide 2 family cars. This is standard for all our policies, 2 family cars, and these are good quality cars. Our staff ensures everything flows smoothly from the service to the final burial, or if it's a cremation, obviously to the cremation. We manage time. We make sure with time for us is very important, is very crucial. The logistics is very, very crucial, so that the family can focus on the mourning and the remembrance of their loved one.
Yeah. So whether you choose chapel, home service, or graveside ceremony, we walk with you. We take you throughout the journey.
Exactly.
We are there with
Exactly.
you.
And now one thing that we didn't mention that happens during the week. Now remember when they have a grocery benefit with us, right?
Yes, true,
so
true.
obviously now when they come for those arrangements and they come and make the arrangements, we will also be able to provide them our supplier, where now they'll be able to collect their groceries, so that at least remember now Pitro does not only start on the day of the funeral. A funeral doesn't start there. Already it starts during the week. You know, most some families, there's people there, there's uncles, there's aunts, there's a lot of family members that are gonna be coming there. So we make sure that you receive your groceries in time, so that you are able to honor your loved ones in the best way that you can. Yeah.
So let's go to Saturday now.
Yeah.
We've touched on the morning part.
Yes.
Let's go to the part taking the family to the cemetery.
I want to know, that's a very, very sacred moment for a lot of families. That's where now tears are falling. It's quite an emotional one, and we will ensure from now the family home to obviously now to the graveside. We will then ensure that the maybe it's the funeral cottage, or maybe it's we will ensure that it is done in the utmost respect, with our white gloves up. Re make sure gore fana each and every person that we bury ke president. You must be rest assured gore each and everyone will be treated with the utmost respect as we take you to the final resting place. Exactly.
So now the family cars and the hearse now they proceed to the cemetery. Right?
Yes.
With the boys doing their signs. Man. I wish, but if it was not ready, if it was TV,
visually, you know, this is pyramid. When we do our stuff.
So now when they get to the cemetery, they have a guide the coffin to the lowering device.
Yes.
Ba bangwe ba ibitsa mtlogeleng a tsamaye. Ba bangwe ba ibitsa ko lefatsheng. They call
6 feet.
6 feet.
They have a lot of names for these things. They have a lot of names.
So now they first take out the flowers, of course. They put the flowers nicely there. They usher the family to sit down. They take out the coffin. Remember, this is done in accordance with the guidance of the pastors that are there, or the uncles, the family members that are there. They are saying, no, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Exactly.
They put it there. Now the pastor there will tell the team to say, no, it's fine. Then they will play a nice song. They will do their gloves. The coffin will lower, which is now the most painful part.
For a lot of families, that's where now reality kicks in. And you will find our staff, they'll be there to assist. Our staff will be there to assist, giving water, tissues, or assisting. If you know, sometimes you do get those our people are there. Our people are there. They'll assist. So it's quite a hectic and emotional moment at that time. So our staff will remain until the last guest has left, ensuring the site also is clean and it's safe. This is a final goodbye, my brother. This is a final goodbye, and this is also now where the healing begins, and it's a closure moment. And at Pyramid, we ensure that it's dignified, respectful, and as always, it's beautiful, my brother. That's us. That's us.
I think if you've never tested us, or if you've never buried with us, or you think why is it these guys are boosting, man? Hey, by the buela, mnati bona, why is it? Let me play a song. Then after that, we'll play some few voice notes from families that we've assisted. Yes. But it's high. How? Hey, besingaba yini ngaphandle kwakho Nkosi?
Nothing, my brother. Nothing, my brother, at all. Nothing, my brother, at all.
If baretsi bo high kuna le ba bangwe ba ba sa go kerekeng, I'm sure every Wednesday they are tuned in.
They're tuned in.
Ke itse ba tlo tshameka gospel.
Exactly.
my brother.
Exactly.
You know, I was saying to Barezi before we played them a nice song. I was saying I wanna play some few voice notes from families that we've assisted.
Yeah.
So that Barezi basa.
Just this past week, not even far. Just
Yeah.
this past week, fella. But about our aftercare services. Yeah.
Atlege fela bjalo go bua ka because of what I think in service tsa bona dikoti e ska ba ile gore ka gore re ba bantsi be go bana le diphetogo go morago ba a kena better record of service mo bona
Okay.
ba boloka bontle na so right a se lanka that's why
Okay.
I understand
Okay.
nara ngompo
Okay. O ka rata ora pyramid ra reng?
Ka rata gore ba tshware fela yalo ka go bolokela batho bontle and le go etsa di-review tsa bone ba tswelele pele ba ska stopa nou yana ka gore ba kry-e di-customer tse dintsi ba ska stopa nou yana sometimes di-feedback di a thusa you know when to improve, how to improve and yeah nna all I can say ke gore their funeral service le barekeng customer service tsa bone like it was exceptional, you know, like it exceeded the expectations tsa rona in so many ways. So yeah, ke Boitumelo Letsholo from Koster.
Okay. And then mama o ka rata ora pyramid ra reng?
Ke re pyramid ke a leboga ka mogolo di bolokileng ka teng le ba itshwara batho botlhe ba di yeshe bana ba tlile for rona ba re bereketse bontla ga se pese re llang ka sone ke le ga di fele molefe go tswa mo Swartland's.
Yeah.
My brother. These are real people.
These are real people.
These are real people, real stories, my brother.
Real stories.
Yeah. And you can hear from them they are really appreciative. And for us, we are honoring their loved one. For us, we are honoring the promise that we made.
Yes.
We're going to be there. Come rain or shine, pula yana, gaine, go diretse, we will be there. And that's us.
Yeah.
And what I love now, especially with our program, the aftercare program,
Yes.
this is just, I think, at the end where now we're getting a little bit of feedback from the client. Obviously now, as I said last week, that we have partnered with FAMSA. FAMSA, they will go through now the whole counseling part of the aftercare program, where now they're offering the counseling relief to the family, and even the policyholders, or what do you call them, the extended members that are still left, we will give them obviously the opportunity to say, maybe if you want to continue with the policy, you can. And even besides that, should you require more counseling, you are able to come, go FAMSA, and they will obviously now continue now with the entire process of now assisting with the grief counseling.
Yes. In closing, my brother?
In closing, my brother, I think we've had a beautiful show, quite heartfelt, quite an emotional show. I think they can testify, no, Pyramid, no, these are real people. This is a real business, but we are all family, and we're here to stay, and we're here to make sure that we will honor your promise. Come rain or shine, we won't leave you in the dark. We won't leave you in other funny colors, colors that don't make sense. You will stay in the greener pastures. Barezi kena treasure tlamene.
From my side, if you have any questions or need to arrange a funeral, call us or visit our nearest branch. And remember, you are not alone in this journey. We are here with you. The name says it all. Pyramid Group Funerals. Barezi ko gae ke nna Perfect Lungwane. Aibe Boroko.